Adelaide. Let's go to her live now. Alex, is there any good news? Are firefighters managing to get this blaze under control?
We've just had an update from the Premier and fire chiefs here in Adelaide, and unfortunately we're looking at 38 homes either lost or destroyed. The good news is that the fire has not spread any further, so low humidity overnight, together with a collaborative effort from local and interstate firefighters, has managed to control the spread of this blaze. Now, they're not speaking too soon and calling it contained, but things do look positive here. The priority is really to help those who are still in their homes. Unbelievably, some people did choose to stay right in the fire zone and defend their houses, quite often because they built those houses and they're very attached. So the priority is to get resources to those people, food and water, as they wait for some assistance.
Now, Alex, wildfires are a natural event in Australia, but these fires are the worst in this region for 30 years. Some people are now asking whether this is the result of climate change and it might be a sign of worse to come.
Well, looking at the Adelaide Hills, it does receive quite high rainfall in winter, but you only need a few hot days in summer. And as I speak, it's nearly 39 degrees, very low humidity. So when that happens, you have a lot of fuel, a lot of gum trees that are dry and can provide a very good fuel for fires to spread quite rapidly. Authorities are calling this the worst emergency since 1983, when several people died in exactly the same region. Now, the Weather Bureau has released its annual announcement and says last year was the third hottest and driest on record for Australia. The prediction for the rest of summer is hotter and drier than usual. This is very concerning for residents in the driest state in the continent, here in South Australia. As for the cause of this particular fire, police are investigating some rumours that someone started it with an incinerator. Regardless of whether it was caused by human activity, the conditions do provide a perfect opportunity for severe disasters to occur.
Well, thanks very much for those updates for now on that ongoing situation in the Adelaide Hills. Alex Parry reporting there for us.